What the hell? Yo, the you see in Texas, man.
Watch your profanity.
Homeboy's got a propeller on his smart car.
Hey, he's got to keep moving.
Apparently.
That's the only way he can pick up some speed.
You really don't remember what happened last year. There's some f***ing attention this time.
Look at this. Look at this. What? Come on, guys. For the price point, you couldn't have used a little bit of quality shit. First thing came out of here was, boom, couple of decals. A note from those guys. It says, Barton Shifter instructions, video available here, blah, 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 blah. They're not accountable for this. If I have any questions, hit these dudes up. David, Barton Industries, thanks for your purchase. All right, let's see what we got. We got the, oh my God. All the grease that's in there. It's like Vaseline. Got the powder-coated shift stem. Very nice, very solid. We got the torrid red handle. Powder-coated, sealed. Looks sexy. This is going to look so good in my car compared to what's in there currently. We got the springs, the set screw, the little locking mech, and a zip tie to hold the boot down. Super simple. Got a little bit of blue Loctite. Anybody who builds weapons knows that we use way too much of this stuff, but it is amazing. This is the single like, I appreciate that they want to keep it safe, but this is the most, it's very dirty. Like, I opened up the bag and this stuff went everywhere. Just like my buddy from RIP told me, Chris Roca, he was like, dude, be careful where you open it because it's going to go everywhere. Completely forgot, ripped the bag open and poof, everywhere. The new Barton ZF 8-speed shifter, this is what comes with it. You get the stem of your choice. You get the powder-coated ball with the label on top. Looking real good, looking real fresh. All the hardware. Couple of decals, Loctite, and instructions. Let's go get this thing installed. Pre-set everything up, so screws already in for underneath the bolts. Set screws already set, so all I gotta do is twist it in on the shifter, pull the boot up. Literally, it's gonna be removing the old guy, dropping this in, tightening the set screw, and then dropping this guy on top, setting that screw, locking the boot back around it. Got you. Got him! Locking the boot back around it, setting everything back up, and I'm done. Literally, it's going to be a 10-minute process. If. Pennywise is around. No, he's not using balloons, he's using balls. Definitely on point, definitely a torrid red, so they did a good job there. Opened up, there's a set screw right there. We got to pop. For those of you who don't know, if your battery ever dies and you need to be able to put the thing in neutral, take out that center change tray, literally pull that tab, it'll manually put the car into neutral so you can roll it up onto a tow truck. Don't ask me why I know, but I'd rather know than not know. Got this guy off with the boot and everything, so that's what that looks like. Big old kniff that's helping me out. Had to cut a couple of pieces off, but literally, when you change it out, you have this piece right here that has to be clicked down in order to disengage the hold. There's a set screw right there in the bottom where we're going to be setting the new one. And then it's spring loaded. So they're pushing the ball up and down to be able to move the new one. With the help of my trusty knife, there's the boot. Set screws back in for my buddy who was probably taking this from me. It literally clips right in. You want to put a zip line around it, pop it down, good to go. Boom. Screw set and ready to go. This guy's all ready to go, like oiled up and disgusting. And then I already have the quick tie on. We had to cut the boot to make sure the boot fit correctly, but it's on there now. Looks really good actually. Let me pop this out. So it turned out really well. Powder coat looks great on this. So the last piece for me to do is to set this inside those grooves right there, and then yeah, screw the ball in, Loctite it, and got a new shifter. When your car is just confused. Huh? Alright, new shifter's in. Let's see if it works. So, boom. Press down and pull back. Boom. So, the new shifter is in. I like it. Thing's fucking sexy. It's sturdy. Gotta let the Loctite dry, but sturdy. I like it. I love it. I think that's the best shifter you can put in this car right now, period. So I would definitely highly recommend it. Check it out at barton.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Other than that, hey, you guys stay savage. Make sure you check out the Dutch Texans video. And I'll see you at the track this weekend. Let's go play. One fault with the badass new shifter. Okay? It is 38 degrees outside. This thing is a solid block of ice, man. I mean, hey, the build quality is amazing. And it being cold, if that is my biggest worry, whatever. But this, I can't even hold this bitch right now. I'm glad I'm in automatic.